Are you tired of inaccurate budgets and invoices? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle with tracking jobs effectively. Introducing Buddy Punch. Our affordable job costing time clock simplifies tracking hours by job, project, or client. It's the solution you've been looking for. With Buddy Punch, enjoy 3 key benefits. First, easily associate job codes with locations for multi-level tracking. Second, accurate invoices lead to improved profitability. Third, user-friendly interface makes tracking seamless. Why choose Buddy Punch? Our 4.8 rating from over 983 reviews speaks volumes. We're proven and trusted. Don't wait. Start accurately tracking your hours today. Visit our website and elevate your budgeting game with Buddy Punch now.